friends, welcome to another Sunnyside Design video. I'm Steph.
And I'm Michelle, and today we are in my bathroom. You've been asking about how my vinyl decal sticker, peel and stick, whatever you want to call them,
Snazzy decals
are holding out on my floor. And today's the day you're going to find out how they are holding out in my bathroom. All right, let's come in and take a look at my bathroom floor after 1 year. So overall, I am really pleased with the way it's held up. It really changed the look and the feel of my bathroom so dramatically that it was worth every penny. It wasn't that expensive, but even the labor to install it only took us an afternoon. But let's take a look at some of the things that have happened, and I consider these my own fault. One of the things is it did scrape a little bit, so I'm going to point out right here. You can see these little gouges, and that is from me putting a ladder in the bathroom to dust my lights, and it was missing the little rubber bumper guards, and so metal, metal that is kind of rough on the edge is going to scratch and gouge it, just like if you were to put it on a hardwood floor, you would scratch your hardwood floors. So that's my own fault, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix that. The other thing I've heard people ask is how did they hold up on the corners? I think overall they have held up really well on the corners. There's a couple of them that are peeling back just a smidgen right there. And I'm actually going to just put a little drop of super glue right there and then push them right back down. So that will be taken care of too. So overall, I think the floor has held up really, really well. Now, this doesn't get, usually we're in our stocking feet or bare feet when we're in the bathroom, but really, I think overall it has really performed well, and I am very pleased with the way it has held up. So now let me show you how I'm going to repair those gouged tiles. So what I did is I actually just ordered a couple of more tiles, and I'll show you how easily that I can pull them up. Not that it's easy, but they can come up and it will leave no sticky residue, and we can replace these tiles right here that I gouged. So to get the tile up, I've got to pull up at a corner. So I'm just using a little plastic scraper card. It's from one of my Pampered Chef tools, but you could use a credit card or just anything that you can get under the edge. And you can see that they're really stuck down fairly well. They're not easy to get up. You've got to work at it. If I can't get it up here, I've got a hair dryer that I can heat it up with too to kind of help with that adhesive. In fact, that's what I'm going to do is grab the hair dryer. So I found that using a hair dryer, I have it on the high setting, and just heating it up for 10 to 15 seconds there on the corner, it starts to just kind of warm up the adhesive, and then the little scraper tool can kind of lift it up a little bit better. Okay, once I get the edge going, then I can pull it the rest of the way. And you can see how they really do stick well, but yet there is no sticky residue or film. So this is really a great product if you're renting and you just want to change something, but you want it to be removable. Use that hair dryer again to heat it up a little bit. I do think that these peel and stick vinyl tiles or decals are a great alternative if you would like to change the look of your room or your tile, but you really are not ready for a major renovation. The mess and the cost that goes into a major renovation can be a lot of money, and this really is budget friendly and can totally change the look. Now all I need to do is to replace it with a new tile. So to install the tiles, you just pull back the backing about 1 inch or so. I'll align it. And you can lift it back up several times till you get it lined up just how you want it to be. Press it down, make sure we're straight. And you can either use a ruler to kind of smooth it out as you go, as you pull off the backing, or you can use your fingers. So I'm just going to use my fingers today and just smooth it out as I pull back the backing. There it is, easily replaced. Okay, right here I've got a corner that has pulled up a little bit, and I can see why it happened. Actually, if it's pushed down, you'll see that it's actually overlapping the grout a little bit. And these decals or tile stickers, the peel-in stick, needs to be adhered to a non-porous surface, so they're not meant to get on the grout. So that's installation error on our part, that we got it a little bit on the grout. So I'm just going to put 1 drop of glue on there and then just push it back down, and that will be all repaired. Okay, here is what my floor looks like after I repaired those few damaged tiles, and then I also repaired the few corners that had lifted with the super glue. And the big question is, would I use these self-adhesive vinyl floor tiles again? And my answer is absolutely yes. They totally transformed my bathroom with very little time and money. And I do feel like the troubles that I did have were totally my fault. If I would have realized that I was damaging the floor with the ladder, I would not have used it. But now I know. In fact, I have loved these so much that I decided to order a few more tiles to update the pink and green tile that's in my shower. Take a look at the transformation that it made in there as well. All right, tell me what you think. Is this something you want to try in your house?
I know I do. I'm thinking of places where I want to. So thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. A little update a year later. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.